We are starting today's, holy crap, it is bright outside today, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Lance. We are starting today's vlog here in the garage. First off, for today's video, I just want to say that I've been wanting to make this video for the longest of time. If you guys can already tell by today's title, you guys know what we're going to be doing. But before we get into all of that, I figure I give you guys a quick garage update. We actually got rid of a bunch of stuff here on this side of the garage. Originally, I had all the stock parts for the car sitting on this side of the garage, which was the bumper, the stock front lip, and the stock side skirts. So quick story, I did have someone hit me up asking if I had my stock parts because they needed to get stock parts for their car because their car got into an accident, and that person didn't want to pay big expensive fees, especially with shipping from wherever you get parts from and bringing it to Hawaii. Originally, I was not planning on selling my stock parts because I just wanted to keep it, but after like a couple of days when I thought about it, I was like, I don't really need any of the stock parts anymore because, for one, the wide body kit is already on, and two, quite frankly, I can't really make use of them anymore because holes are drilled in the fender. I won't need another bumper because I have to run that bumper. I already have an extra pair of side skirts. I got rid of my carbon side skirts already, and I have a charge speed one now. So with that being said, I ended up selling my stock parts. I didn't want to, but it only made sense. If you guys have not checked out the last video, please make sure you guys go and check it out. The car is sitting ridiculously low now, or a lot lower than what we had before. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, especially if this is your first time to my vlogs, first time to my channel. I'm Lance, I'm from Hawaii, and the dream is just to build cool cars and have fun with them. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because we have a lot more stuff in store. And I'm telling you guys now, I am heavily like searching for another car. I have certain categories of what I want to get. You guys know I want to get a Z, but just Z's are just so hard to come by. I'm like kind of thinking about exploring other platforms because after my boy Aaron started going to autocross, I'm like, finally someone that I know goes to autocross. I've never been, and I always want to try. I'm gonna just leave it as that. I can't explain everything fully, but there's other reasons why I want to get another used car, maybe two. And I know you guys are wondering, Lance, what are we gonna paint the GTR? Well, again, that is gonna remain a secret. But if you guys been following me on my TikTok, I've actually said what color it is. It's probably in one of my old videos of TikTok. If you guys search deep enough, you guys know what color it is because I just commented on a random person. I said, this is gonna be the color for the GTR. Keep it a secret. If anybody else sees it, then they see it. But if not, oh well, you're gonna have to wait. And one of the most common questions I've been getting asked lately is if I'm gonna do the Thunderbolt depot headlights. And the answer is no, guys. I really don't want to change the headlights. I may have to change like another housing because they're all like kind of scratched up because of the fact that we've been taking on the bumper on and off so many times. But I really want to keep this housing and this style only to kind of like show the age of the car. I am thinking about changing out the rear tail light. Again, the dream is to take this car to SEMA. I have no idea how are we gonna do it. I don't know if we can partner with somebody or like I'm still looking into the details and how everything is gonna work. If this car can go to SEMA, that kind of dictates on how far I'm gonna go into like the super nitty-gritty details of everything. All right, it's been about 15 minutes since this last take. I was planning on putting all this stuff right here in front of the car, but it's too hot, and after like moving the first box, I was like, nope. We're actually going inside, so I'm actually holding the camera on the tripod. But let's go inside and let's get everything set up. Now, these things are super heavy, and this is just one of many boxes, so let's just speed it up. Now would you look at that? It's like a little birthday cake. So I am gonna start off with all the small stuff first, and then we're gonna move on to the big stuff. Let me just start off by saying this, that these parts, I mean, well, except maybe a couple of them, but these parts are completely unnecessary for what we're doing. Before I even bought the wide body kit, or before the wide body like project was even a thought, I was already thinking about doing a turbo upgrade for the GTR. So I was thinking about doing the CCO gateway turbos where they push about 850, and I bought some supporting mods, but then the deal came up to do the GTR Widebody kit, and everything just got shut out the door. So I have some of the supporting mods, and I figure I might as well just put it on, because I really don't know if I am gonna do a turbo upgrade now, considering how much money I spent on the Widebody kit. But enough talking. Let's just open everything one by one. Now, first one, probably the smallest thing. This little button tab right here is the cover for the front tow hitch of the front bumper. We're also gonna be installing on the next video or so, we're gonna be installing the AM 340, I think 340 LPH fuel pumps. So it's gonna be a dual fuel pump. Maybe down the line, I might do maybe like a Visconti fuel basket, but for right now, I am gonna try and just be very, very delicate with the fuel basket of the stock OEM GTR. So this one, I actually got it in California. Originally, I had the AMS coolant tank, expansion tank. I went the cheaper route this time, and there was actually like a cheap one. It cost me about $250, $300. Just, you know, something to change out the plastic tank for the coolant. Now, oh, what is this? Okay, I opened it. Oh, that's what this is. Okay, I guess I totally forgot about these, but we're gonna have to figure out a way to wire all the DRL lights. If you guys look at the front bumper of the GTR, it has those little holes, kind of similar to the Pandem rocket body kit for the GTR. We are also installing full intercooler piping. Like, I'm pretty sure these are 3-inch. I ordered these from a GTR owner in the mainland. These are actually brand new. It's previously owned, but it's brand new because he never installed them. Clearly unnecessary. For what we're doing for FBO Flex, the very, very base thing you need to do for a GTR is downpipe, fuel pump, injector, and, well, flex fuel if you want to do flex fuel. And since I'm talking about flex fuel, I did not order flex fuel kit. For one, gas is really, really expensive. Like, gas in Hawaii right now is $4 for regular. All right, I think it's like getting close to like $4.10, $4.15. And just so you guys know, Hawaii does not have an actual ethanol pump, so we have to kind of like source our own, or if we get it from somebody else. Usually they cost $8 to $12 depending on the demand, I guess. Do it right now. Drop it in the comments. Should I just do the flex fuel kit, even though I'm not really gonna run the car a lot of ethanol? Or should we just save that money and just run the car on an upgraded turbo on pump? I think, to me, that's more feasible that way, because I can always have that much of a power at that amount of time, instead of having to pay $8 to $12 a gallon on E85, plus the cost of the flex fuel kit, which is like $700. But I don't know. Let me know. Drop it in the comments right now. You know what? I don't even want to take this out. I'm just gonna show it to you guys, and I'll put the camera back down. So this is the new, well, technically I bought this thing probably like Black Friday of 2019, and I just never got the time to install it. But we are going to be running the Alpha Street intercooler, and this thing is going to be freaking nuts. Now the Alpha intercooler, it's just a one big piece, and I'm pretty sure it's about an inch or so wider in width, so you're gonna get a lot more cooling out of it for the GTR. Big Alpha is gonna be in the mouth of the wide body kit front bumper. That's just gonna be nuts. Last box, we got CCO Performance tape all over it, so shout out to CCO. I've been wanting to get a certain color blow-off valves for the longest of time, and tile blow-off valves are on like legit back order. I want to say maybe like a month or so. What do we got here? What is this? Oh, I also forgot. So this is going to be the speed density kit. You kind of want to run the speed density kit in comparison to the map sensors. So we got that. We are also going to be running HKS spark plugs. They have a better heat range than the NGK spark plugs, but we got the HKS ones, so we'll try to run it on my car. And lastly, we have the tile blow-off valves. While I open this, also, if you guys could do me a favor, and for those of you guys that's been watching like all my videos towards the end, you guys see like a brand, or I drop a brand at the end of my video. I guess I haven't really explained it too much. Go ahead, follow my brand Definitive on Instagram. I do have some old stuff, so if you guys want to pick up some like OG stuff, I guess this is me doing a brand or channel merch. We're all different, we're all made to be different, and what Definitive stands for is like we are called to be the best version of yourself. That's why I always end my videos by saying you guys are all called to be great in your way. And of course the motto is to challenge your standards. So go ahead, follow Instagram right there, follow Definitive on Instagram I should say, but follow the band, cop some stuff. I got some new stuff coming. I've been getting a lot of requests to do dad caps and snapbacks. So I'm gonna have those made pretty soon. Follow Definitive on Instagram, it'll really mean a lot. And just order, like just DM to order some stuff for now. And you guys know that you guys will be talking to me. But anyways, look at these blow-off valves. Now these are sick. These were the ones that I really wanted. Again, shout out to CCO, thank you guys again. But we got the new blow-off valves. Look at that. It's so nice. Also, if you guys are wondering how much it costs for the speed density, for the blow-off valve, for the intercooler, for the intercooler piping, for the frick, I'm having a Filipino moment. What you call that? The coolant expansion tank, the fuel pumps, the little whatever you call that tab. The grand total, I'm just giving a rough guesstimate. Actually, let's go over it together. Intercooler, I think it was like 22 to 2500. Let's just say about 2200. Blow-off valves like 500, so 2700. Plus the speed density kit, I think that was like 400, so say like 31. Plus the piping, I want to see it was like a grand. 41 intercooler, or I keep seeing intercooler. The coolant expansion tank, I want to say it was about a few hundred as well, so 4,400-ish. Fuel pumps, I want to say it was like another $200 to $300. So let's just guesstimate to 4,500. So, and what is that? Oh yeah, that's the hardware. So in total, maybe around $4,000 to $5,000 of clearly unnecessary parts for the GTR, but I think it's just gonna look cool in photos, and majority of the stuff is just all air and helping with cooling with the car. But totally unnecessary. Who cares? I got it. There's no turning back, and I really don't want to return it or make the hassle of selling it. So $5,000 of extra parts going in. GTR parts are really expensive. I urge you not to buy GTR R35 because parts are ridiculous. Well, I shouldn't even say that. Cars are ridiculous because it just gets addicting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's just me unboxing all of the cool stuff that we have for the car. I hope you guys are hyped. Like, oh, look at those, man. Those things are nice. I don't know. I'm just saying that if you guys watching to the end of this, or watching to this point of the video, you guys want to take better guesses on what color the car is going to be, let me know. Drop it in the comments. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's somewhat short video. Very simple. We have a lot of stuff coming. Hopefully next week we have like, or start installing some of the stuff. I don't know where to start, honestly. Maybe we might start with the fuel pump, or if not, we're probably gonna do like the small stuff first, maybe like the coolant tank, and then we're probably gonna do the spark plugs, and then work our way from inside out. If you guys haven't done so, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, drop a like for today's video, drop a comment down below to all the stuff I said, drop comments for. It really mean a lot, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.